Hello everyone, welcome to SewCal Socialite. We have a guest here, Oliver, and he's wearing his new Gooby sweater that he got from Amazon today. I don't know, this cat loves to wear sweaters. It's so strange. But he does, he seems really angry, but he's not. He's just always looks pissed off. So today I'm here to talk to you about NewLook 6301. It is a knit wrap dress pattern. There you go. I thought I would do a video on this pattern and this dress right here because it's been sitting on my dress form for several months. I can't remember when. I think sometime this past year, or maybe even the year before I made it. It's just too big for me. I have never really sewn with knits before, and so I cut out a size, probably 2 sizes too big. I find that pattern companies add a lot of ease anyway, and with knits you really have to be cautious, especially if you like things to be more fitted like I do. What inspired this was going up and down the aisles at Joann's, and I think I was in the performance or dance wear section, and I saw this awesome fabric, and somehow I got it into my head that I needed to make like a wrap dress. I thought like it might be sort of, I was trying to go for some disco vibe thing, I don't know, but I wanted to make a wrap dress out of this. And so I went and to the pattern cabinets and I found this wrap dress and I went for it, and I can tell you that it is a great pattern. It is an easy pattern, I think. I will bring this up closer so we can look at the details a bit more. It's got pleats here, wraps up to the inside, up to the side. Here is the back. And this is a belt. It just, it's not attached to the dress, it's on its own. But I just think this fabric is so cool. It's kind of holographic, oil slick maybe. It's a spandex poly, clearly. It's just, it's great. I leave it on the dress form even though it's too big for me, so I just kind of leave it there and just think it's just fun to look at. Excuse me. This is my bigger dress form. This is a size 10, industry size 10, and it's a really good dress form. But it's bigger than my measurements, so I have a less expensive dress form that I got that I've kind of padded out to, you know, mimic my shape, and I'll bring that up later in another video. But for now, I just put this dress on this dress form, and it just hangs out in my studio. And so I thought, hey, you know, I've posted this on Instagram. I should actually do a video and talk about this pattern, because if you're looking for a really easy knit wrap dress pattern, I recommend NewLook. I like NewLook patterns. I have a few that I haven't cut into, pun intended, but yeah, definitely. With this one, you've got options for the 3/4 sleeves or short sleeve, and then a sleeveless like this one. So check it out, NewLook 6301. Also, I thought maybe this would inspire some of you to try fabrics that you normally wouldn't, you know, pair with certain patterns. I mean, I think if I were to just see this pattern, I wouldn't jump and think, oh, get like a sparkly spandex or an oil slick spandex. It's just not something that I would think. But somehow my brain that day on Joann said, no, you need to pair those two together. So I really like it, and I think I'm gonna try some more pairings like that, and actually I may even remake this dress in the proper size, because I did go back and buy more yardage because I just love this fabric. I think it's fun, and I think Oliver does too. So Oliver, he's gonna wish everybody a happy new year, and actually I did make him a little vest out of this fabric. I will try to dig up one of the photos and post it in the video, and you will see he's a great sport, and genuinely, whenever I put a sweater on him, he purrs. So don't think that I hope PETA doesn't come for me. So happy New Year, everyone, and thank you for watching.